Aaron here from Goddard Garage and Goddard Adventure. Today we are replacing the factory LED fog light bulbs on our 2024 Honda Passport to see if we can get some more light output out of them. So let me show you what we've got going on over here. Today we'll be installing the FG1 LED fog lamps. We'll have these linked in our Amazon store in the description below. So go ahead and go take a look at those. As you can see, the LED chip has a bigger illuminating area. These are rated for 9,000 lumens, and based on reviews I've seen, these will be brighter than factory, which I have found underwhelming from the beginning. So let's go take a look at what it takes to get this factory bulb out. It's got a little bit more metal going on as well. A little fancier design. What tool do we have in here? Interesting, not sure what that's for. Looks like this is gonna be pretty much plug and play. So to get to the factory bulb, there's a screw here, here, and here. See, I've got them setting down. And then you can get access to the housing, focus, and the clip is just a push-on clip, but we're gonna take this guy, see if we can't get it to slot in here. Sorry, the giant oversized tire we have is making this a little bit difficult to film. Okay, so you just get it inserted till it keys in, and then twist, that locks it, and then you got the factory plug. Simple as that. And you just get the liner back in place. Start screwing the screws back in. So that's all it takes to replace these bulbs. And like I said, we're gonna have them linked in the Amazon store in the description below. If you wanna help support the channel, you can buy them from there. It makes it nice and easy. We have other products there as well. We're gonna wait to finish this video until tonight. That way we can show you the difference. We've got the new bulb on the driver's side and the old bulb on the passenger. I know I am very eager to see what the difference is. All right, so here we have the fog light demonstration. On the right-hand side, we've got the factory fog lights. You can see the amount of throw to the side is pretty small. Can't really tell looking forward, but if I kind of flash the fog lights, where is it? Oh, it's on this side. On and off, it is providing more throw forward, but the really big difference is to the side. We can see a lot better, and I like it when our fog lights shine to the side, because when you're making like a right hand or a left hand turn, it gives you that feedback you need to make sure you're driving safely. All right, so here's the beam pattern up on the wall. Excuse my kind of messy driveway right now. But yeah, you can see the left bottom side has more light than the right side. So for 36-ish bucks, I'd say this is a good upgrade. Definitely appreciating the light that's thrown to the side, and I'm looking forward to having more brightness as I install the bulbs on the other side as well. Definitely a really big advantage having good lights for driving at night.